The ShelterLogic 10 feet by 20 feet GrowIT Greenhouse-in-a-Box with EasyFlow vents is ready to build right out of the box. This easy-access greenhouse delivers quality construction, easy assembly, and best-in-class value. Constructed from a 1/3/8 tubular high-grade steel frame, the greenhouse provides protection and a natural light source to your plants, herbs, and flowers. The steel frame has a premium powder coat protective finish to help resist chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion. ShelterLock steel stabilizers add strength and stability to your greenhouse frame for a more durable plant shelter. Made from ClearView, a triple-layer heat-bonded RipStop fabric, the cover is 5.5 ounces thick, waterproof, and has been UV treated inside and out. The translucent greenhouse cover provides enhanced illumination, which is ideal for plant growth and protection. The EasyFlow roll-up side panels provide your plants with maximum airflow and temperature control. The included bungee cord fasteners hold the sides open while the hook and loop fasteners keep the sides down. With the Easy Slide cross-rail tensioning system, the cover is locked down for a snug fit and squares up the frame, while Ratchet Tite tensioning provides solid cover anchoring to the frame. The double-zippered front door allows walk-in access and can be rolled up and secured to your preferred height. The front door and back rear panel both have vents to keep air circulating. The greenhouse can be assembled in about 2 hours with 2 people. When your growing demands change, this portable greenhouse can be disassembled and transported easily. 15 inches auger anchors are included with your greenhouse kit for easy anchoring. Assembled dimensions: 10 feet lenite by 20 feet width by 8 feet height door opening, 40 inches width door entrance, 82 inches height includes 1. Steel frame, 1. Translucent cover, 1. Double-zippered front door with vent, 1. Rear panel with vent bungee cords 15 inches auger anchors, 8. Ratchet tie-downs hardware kit easy step-by-step instructions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ready to grow backyard greenhouse. 10 feet by 20 feet by 8 feet peak roof design for growing plants, starting seeds, and extending growing seasons. Number 2. ShelterLock. Patented metal ShelterLock 3X stabilizers ensure rock-solid stability, delivering a stable, more durable shelter. Number 3. UV protection. Translucent cover is UV treated and allows a significant amount of diffused light to reach the plants. Diffused light reduces shadows and scorching to provide consistent lighting for all exposed parts of the plant. Number 4. ClearView. Cover features ClearView and provides enhanced illumination designed specifically for plant growth and protection. Number 5. EasyFlow side panels. Roll-up side panels and half-moon screen vents at each end provide optimal airflow and temperature control. Rib tubing diameter, 1.34 inch. Number 6. DuPont Premium powder coat finish resists chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion. Enhances the look and longevity of the greenhouse while minimizing the need for shelter upkeep. Number 7. Waterproof and UV treated inside and out to protect from harsh elements. ClearView triple layer, heat-bonded RipStop translucent cover protects your plants. Number 8. ClearView cover provides enhanced illumination designed for plant growth. This ready-to-grow backyard greenhouse has everything you need to provide an ideal plant growing environment. Number 9. EasyFlow side panels and vented end panels provide airflow and temp control. Bungee fasteners hold sides open while hook and loop fastener strips keep sides down. Number 10. ShelterLock 3X steel stabilizers ensure rock-solid stability. Delivers a stable, more durable shelter to stand up to harsh weather conditions. Number 11. Easy to assemble with Ratchet Tite tension for solid cover anchoring. Step-by-step instructions and a complete hardware kit are included. Easy slide cross-rail system lockdown cover and squares up the frame. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.